cry.
They don't cry, man.
For children now, as they don't release them, they just start
A
crying.
full arc of the rainbow. The promise of God to.
Promise keeper, we pass goalkeeper.
Yeah. Wow. This is the first time I've seen a full arc. What do you have to say about this?
Promise keeper.
Bro, first time of Seko. Look at the rainbow. It's fully an arc. The full arc.
And it's becoming brighter, self.
Yeah.
Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Okay, you're right. So it's fully an arc.
It's fully an arc. Now I don't know. Now he be the astrologer.
The people on the other side of the world are seeing half too. Just like we are seeing half.
Okay, yeah. That means it's a full circle.
It's a full circle.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God is great too.
God is too great.
God is great.